Black Tahoe.
10-4, you had some background. Where they at?
South McNeil.
10-4. At 9 Hot Springs, I'm in the lead on McHenry Street. Speeds are 45. TV out, TV out. Oh, he just backed into me. Nine Hot Springs, he got out of it. We're continuing on Sullenberger.
Show me your fucking hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Nine Hot Springs, I got him wrecked out, but he's still on the gas pretty hard, won't listen to commands.
Show me your hands! Y'all move up! Move up! Yo, get up there on that side! Show me your hands!
Nine Hot Springs, we're at Sullenberger and Edward Street. Hey, huh? Yeah, hey. Bust that, if we can get up there and bust that window, that'd be the best. So y'all need to get up there and block that car in. I need somebody to get up there. I can't go anywhere right here. He's gonna get out. Therefore, we're still trying to give him commands. He's trying to get out of it right now. Oh shit!
Get out of the car!
We're gonna have to go bust it.
Get out of the car!
can't see anything, man. Show me your hands! Alright. Y'all ready to go and get him?
Yes, sir.
Hey, hands! Hands! Show me your fucking hands! Hands! Get down on the ground right now!
Always been murdering people here. The leaves shake on the trees, and then they start the cop cars.
Hey, 9 Hot Springs, Route 15.
Talking about it right now.
Hey, y'all get them fucked up the way.
Like you right there. You right there. You've been murdering people in this town. You've been murdering people in this town. Please, don't be rough with me. I'm against the car. I'm not running. I'm not running, sir. I'm not running. God has proof that they've been murdering people here in this town.
You got a fire extinguisher? No.
You are a wicked cop.
Hey, somebody get me a light.
Hey, watch out. Come on. Come on.
Blow up in it, please. Let me blow up.
No. Put him on here. Put him up here.
Okay, hold on. Show me, man. I'm not going to run. I'm not going to run.
Hey, you got room.
Look.
Yeah, y'all. I'm fixing. If you want y'all put him in your car.
The motherfucking leaves on his trees shake on the houses that they were. Don't put me in. Don't put me in this car.
I can't see, so. Damn.
You okay?
Yeah.
Wear on the body damage. Be all right. Doesn't do no good though.
Yeah, it's in for. I was about to tell you to. Check on my dog.
Yeah.
Hey, little buddy, you all right back there? You all right back there? All right. Y'all got the fire department around?
Yeah, we got it. Yeah.